Oh, hello there! The Beatbox K Snare. In this video, we're gonna cover all of these topics so that you can become the best beatboxer you can be. Let's go! Easy beatbox. Okay, the K Snare, no pun intended, is a level 1 sound. Most people can already do it because it's in language and super easy, super fundamental to more combos and more powerful beats in the future. You use the middle back tongue to get the sound. Quick tutorial, 1 step. Make a K sound with a quick burst of air. You got it. So even though you may already know this sound, I'm going to teach you how to get it even better, how to master it, and how to take it to the next level. Oh yeah, and if you'd like to get the beatbox notes for yourself, check out the comments to find out how. With the K Snare, some limitations that my students have is they start off with a breathless K. And while this is not wrong, it might be limiting. So try breathing out with the sound instead of just using your tongue muscles. A breathless K sounds like this. You feel no breath coming out of your lungs. You're just using the air in your mouth and your tongue to push against the roof of your mouth. It's a good sound, but let's try to activate your lungs. So breathe out with the breath. There you go. I'll show you why this is important later. Now, on the other hand, you may be breathing with too much air, like and that will mean that you run out of breath really fast when you're doing beats. How you solve this problem is you keep the back of your tongue close to the roof of your mouth to squeeze the air. Be efficient. Try to make it tight and short bursts. Now for pro tips. Instead of just doing the sound outwards, you could do it inwards. So you can breathe out and you can breathe in. Okay, right? When I'm breathing in, my tongue is like a K position. It's drawing to the back close to the roof of my mouth. That's why you hear a sound instead of a you see? My tongue goes up. So if you do the K sound, do it outwards and you do it inwards. So that way, if you're doing outward sounds all the time, like and you can at least breathe in. Get it? Up next is the rapid snare, what you just heard. All you need to do is repeat the case with a long breath while using the back of your tongue to slice the air. So like modulate the sound. So you can go from like an O to a A. If you want to put it in a simple beat, you can do multiple outward ones and then an inward one to catch your breath. Again, these are pro tips, so it's going to take you a while to master it, but you're on your way. So keep practicing, keep playing with the sound. So as always, I have some practice exercises for you so that you can master the sound and you can get really good at it. Let's start with the basic control of the sound. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice! Good try. If you noticed, I was using the breathless K at the start for the slower stuff. That's because I can get it more precise with more control over my tongue. But when I wanted to speed it up, if I were to just use my tongue muscles, it kind of run out of breath. It's a bit hard, so I started using my lungs. So that's the advantage when you start to learn how to use your breath in breathed Ks and breathless Ks. And that's why I taught you that. Now let's have some fun. Let's see the words buy 2 cookies, 2 bite cookies. Say it. Buy 2 cookies, 2 bite cookies. Good. Easy, right? Now let's try to change it into beatboxing. So use your breath instead of your voice and focus on the consonants. Buy 2 cookies, 2 buy cookies, buy 2 cookies, 2 buy cookies. Make each sound nice and strong. Slowly practice it, get it stronger, get it faster. Buy 2 cookies, 2 buy cookies, buy 2 cookies, 2 buy cookies, buy 2 cookies, 2 buy cookies. If you're starting to lose your breath, like I just did, you can change one of the K's into an inward one. Buy 2 cookies, 2 buy cookies, buy 2 cookies, 2 buy cookies, buy 2 cookies, 2 buy cookies. That way, you get to breathe a little more. This is a fun beat to remember, so be sure to practice it. Now for this third exercise, you're using a combination of K's with breath and without breath. You're gonna go so combination of hi-hats and K's with minimal breath. And it's gonna sound something like this. Practice that combo. You'll notice how the breath gives it a different kind of shape to the sound, which is cool. You want to really explore with these sounds so you can get different textures and different kinds of feelings with your beats. Felt that? It was different. Play with it. And after you've mastered that beat, learn to combine it with the B's. Same beat, swapping some sounds out. Here we go. Practice that. Well done, you have stayed to the end, so I take it you want to become a master of the K snares. Good, I like that. Practice your K's with breath and breathless K's, so you can be super pro with combos. Up next, you'd want to learn the inward clutch snare so you can get more breath control and cool textures. See you in the next one. Bye bye.